Richness of the serve, coriander is pretty spicy. That is pretty spicy. Really interesting. Let's get this curry. Oh, with chickpeas, coriander, lots of spices, thick gravy. It's rich in flavor. There is coriander that gives quite a nice, refreshing touch. It's nice. Another famous thing, I have to try the kamandokla. Kind of a sponge cake. It's a bit moist. This is like a sponge cake. Savory, not too savory actually. One more thing, this beautiful vegetarian samosa. Let's open up. Oh, look at the peas. I think curry leaves. I guess potatoes as well. Okay, let's give it a bite. It is so hearty.